Hey guys, today I'm testing out this 6-in-1 digital soil tester. It's a super handy tool if you're into gardening, landscaping, or just want healthier plants. Right out of the box, it's ready to go. Just pop in the battery like this, and it's powered up instantly. There's two AAA batteries. Press on, and then just put on the cap, and you're good to go. One of my favorite things is the rotatable probe design. It makes it so much easier to test at different angles without bending or fighting with the soil. All you have to do is this: insert it into the ground, and within seconds, you get a full readout of the soil's condition. This tester measures 6 key things: moisture, pH, temperature, sunlight, EC, and nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium levels, everything you need to know to grow strong, healthy plants. The digital display is clear and easy to read, even outdoors. It updates quickly so you can move from spot to spot around your yard and check. It really helps if you have a lot of different areas. It's lightweight, portable, and super simple to use. Perfect for checking your garden beds, lawn, or even potted plants. So if you want to understand what your soil really needs, grab the 6-in-1 digital soil tester. It's accurate, fast, and makes soil testing effortless. So there's an on-off switch, and then a measure switch that allows you to reset everything, and then a Celsius and Fahrenheit switch that you can change. It's very easy to use. The back simply pops off to replace the batteries. And then when you're done with it, simply clean it. And it's ready for next use.